Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and they play important roles in many bodily functions, including muscle and tissue repair, immune system function, and hormone production. 4. Intravenous therapy with amino acids involves administering a specific combination of these molecules directly into the bloodstream. IV therapy with amino acids may be recommended for individuals who have deficiencies or conditions that affect amino acid levels, such as malnutrition, chronic fatigue syndrome, or liver disease. It may also be used to support athletic performance, aid in recovery from surgery or illness, and enhance overall health and wellness. Some of the potential benefits of IV therapy with amino acids include improved muscle recovery and growth, enhanced immune function, and increased energy levels. It may also help to alleviate symptoms of certain conditions, such as fibromyalgia, chronic pain, or depression. However, it's important to note that IV therapy with amino acids should only be administered by a qualified healthcare professional and under medical supervision. Dosages may need to be adjusted based on individual needs, and regular monitoring may be necessary to ensure safety and efficacy. Additionally, some individuals may experience side effects such as nausea, vomiting, or allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss any potential risks with a healthcare provider before undergoing IV therapy with amino acids.